How to track pending transactions on Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can track pending transaction in your Truist account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for the Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in on your main dashboard you simply have to click the account you want to check like checking or the credit card account. And there on the account detail page, you just have to look for the section labeled pending transactions or check the top of your recent activity list. And there pending items will be marked pending. So just click on pending transaction to view its amount, date and merchant. And that's it. That's how you can find and track pending transaction on Twist Online Banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.